Welcome to this comprehensive review of Sora Wallet, a powerful tool for managing and storing your cryptocurrency securely. In this video, we'll explore the features, functionality, and benefits of using Sora Wallet for your digital assets. The Sora Wallet provides a seamless interface, making it accessible even for beginners, while offering advanced features for seasoned users. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies and is built with a focus on security and user convenience. To get started, visit the Sora Wallet official website and download the application compatible with your device. The intuitive setup process guides you through creating an account and securing your wallet with a recovery phrase. Always store your recovery phrase in a safe and offline location, as it is essential for accessing your funds in case of device loss. Sora Wallet's user-friendly design allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies effortlessly. Simply navigate to the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. For receiving funds, your wallet provides a unique address, which you can share with others securely. One standout feature of Sora Wallet is its integration with decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. Users can participate in liquidity pools, earn rewards, and engage in staking activities directly from the app, making it more than just a storage solution. The wallet also offers robust privacy features, ensuring that your transaction history and balances remain confidential. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Sora Wallet is not just a tool for holding cryptocurrencies. It is a gateway to a decentralized financial ecosystem. With regular updates and a responsive support team, users can rest assured that their funds are in good hands. The wallet also allows for customization of transaction fees, giving users the flexibility to prioritize speed or cost depending on their needs. If you're looking for a reliable, secure, and feature-rich cryptocurrency wallet, Sora Wallet might just be the solution for you. Its robust architecture and focus on user satisfaction make it stand out in the crowded crypto space. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on cryptocurrency tools and solutions. Like this video and hit the notification bell for updates on the latest in crypto.